How to update any graphic cards on Windows. So let's get started with the tutorial. The first one is to update your device itself. Simply open settings, press Windows plus I and scroll down and click on Windows Update on the right and click check for updates. If an update is available, Windows will download and install it automatically. Restart your computer if prompted. So now another easiest way is to press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type devmgmt.msc and press enter. Double click on display adapters to expand the category. Next, right click your graphics card and select properties. Go to the driver tab and the current version of the graphic drivers will be displayed here. Now that you have checked the current version of your graphic drivers, simply update it by updating your Windows. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.